Want to know how to fix your Best Buy not working? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix your Best Buy not responding and not opening. So let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application and see again and again what is causing the issue. So if it's your error, just simply make sure you have your Wi-Fi disabled and enable your data connection just in case. So if that still doesn't work, just simply hold on to your Best Buy application. And here you should be seeing this icon right here, just simply like that. And now once you're there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data right here. You can just simply select that. Now here you should be seeing two options, clear all data and clear cache. Just simply select clear cache right here, and then just simply select OK. Now once that is done, your error should be fixed in Best Buy, and that's it. Now you can simply open up your Best Buy application and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.